In this video, I just wanted to provide a little more detail about the page sorter tab, or the Flatplan as they call it in the official OpenBoard documentation. So the page sorter tab allows you to see all of the pages you have available to you in your OpenBoard document that's active on your screen. It gives you thumbnails of each page so you can quickly scan and see which page you want to work with. If you want to reorder the pages in your OpenBoard document that you have open, you can click and drag the page. You'll get a little bar, and wherever that bar goes, that's where the page will drop. So I moved the first page to be the second page. I can drag it again and move that page to be the third page, and I can move it back up again. If there's a page that I don't want, it's a blank page, I don't need it, I can tap the X and it'll say, are you sure you want to remove page 1 from the document? You can say yes or no. I'm going to say no. If I accidentally delete a page, so let's say I accidentally hit the X for this page, I want it, but if I tap it and hit the X and say remove it, I can't undo that move, and I can't do Control Z or Command Z to make that page come back. If I want to make that page come back, I have to go into Documents, and the page I just deleted is in the trash, and so I can drag that page out of the trash, and so there's the view of the page, and so I can tap that, and then up at the top here with the buttons, the page that I accidentally deleted, I can say add, I can tap add to working document, and so then I get that page that I deleted back again. So don't panic if you accidentally delete a page you want. Just make sure you go into your trash, remember your time when you deleted it, and you can pull it back and add it to whatever active document you have available. If I tap on a page again, I get another option next to the X, which will allow me to duplicate that page. Down in the bottom, if I had more pages than what I could view in the page sorter tab, I get that I'm working on, the number that I'm working on, the number page, and how many overall pages I have. Also, I see a timestamp at the bottom of the page sorter tab, because it's very helpful to have that, because when you have OpenBoard active, it takes over your entire screen and it's blocking out the clock that I have on my desktop. So it's really nice to be able to see what time it is if you're in a classroom that doesn't have a clock, or if you're facing away from the clock. So that gives me a timestamp, and it also lets me know if I accidentally delete a page, I can look for that timestamp when I go into Documents to pull it back.